Okay, so I'm out here looking a second opinion on a walk-in cooler for one of my restaurants that I don't normally service, but they asked me to come out and do a second opinion. The previous contractor was not lying to them when they told them that the coil has multiple leaks. It's in pretty bad shape. It definitely does. It's got, you know, the drain pan's all corroded, so I'm not knocking the contractor for that. The point that I want to make is that they had added dye to the system, and I'm not going to lie and say I've never used dye. I have, but I'm not a fan of using it, and I'm going to explain to you. So this system has dye in it, and dye is not the best way to do a leak check, in my opinion, in most situations. Okay, and what's happening here is, look up there, I've got a refrigerant leak. Okay, the dye is not picking it up. The UV red light is not picking it up at all. My leak detector hit it, my electronic, and then Big Blue soap bubbles hit it. So this is a use case for the Big Blue. Perfect. Okay, Big Blue picked up the leak and dye did not.